Hi everybody, my name is Brennan Guire and today we are on a 32 Saxdor GTO. This is a 2026 with the white motors 300s. We also have joystick and bow thruster on this boat. Come look and see what this boat has to offer. Hi everybody. Stepping onto the boat, we have a large area back here in this transom area that gives you all the space for entertaining as well as fishing. If somebody was wanting to do that. It's a great sandbar boat when the terraces, the side beach doors are down. We can put those up and close everything up with the isinglass enclosure as well. This seat, forward facing and aft facing, very easy to move, okay? And then also we can slide this forward to give you more space back here and just slide it right back. Moving to the summer kitchen on this boat, a lot of cup holders all over the place. We have a cutting board and a sink. We also have a couple of drawers for storage. And we also have the in-floor storage on this boat as well. We do have the JL audio sound system on this boat, which is one of the best sounding systems. Really 6 people in this cockpit area can be sitting here together. The captain's chair really is right here with the bolster, more of a center console feel, and we do have that isinglass to be able to close all of this area off that goes back behind that forward and aft facing seat as well. Let's move to the bow of the boat. We have lights all over. Saxdor does a great job with their ambiance lighting as well as the white lighting in the floor. Windshield wiper. And up here we have a 2-person seating lounger up here. We do have a windlass anchor on this boat as well. Let's move into the cabin. One thing I like about the Saxdor is that you have this large steering wheel, you have your binnacle, you have joystick, and you have a bow thruster. This boat is very easy to maneuver, even if you're a beginner and a boater. It's very easy to maneuver and to drive. With all of these features you're offered. We do have storage that is here. We have an induction phone charger, and then we have our twin Simrad screens, touch screens. All of our switching right here with lights, and as well as the bilges. Your anchor controls for the windlass here. Thank you for taking a walk through with us on the 320 GTO by Saxdor.